correctly and safely so that they do not get damaged will help you to protect your investment for years to come. You love sports cars. You're a diecast aficionado. Fuel your passion. Join the Stick Shift family of YouTube channels. Subscribe now. Welcome to my channel, Stick Shift Hot Wheels. Today I wanted to go over how I store my Hot Wheels collection. I store my collection using two different types of cases. The Creative Options Thread Organizer is an excellent case for storing your loose collection. The Ikea Samla tote is a great storage option for your carded Hot Wheels collection. Subscribe to my channel, Stick Shift Hot Wheels, so you don't miss any new Hot Wheels reviews or Hot Wheels DIYs. The Creative Options Thread Organizer can be found at various stores. It is currently $8.99 at Joann's. Part number is 5315. Years ago, this case used to be made by a company called Plano. This organizer has 46 compartments that hold 48 Hot Wheels cars. This case keeps your cars in mint condition. There's no chips, scuffs, or tampo fading from the cars being stored in this carrying case. I've owned 6 of these cases since 1998, and these Hot Wheels 2000 first editions have been stored in this case since they were new. And I have to say, these cases have held up incredibly well for 20 years. The hinges can get a little bit bent if you're not careful, but I'm surprised that they've held up this well. They're definitely worth the money. It's worth noting that these cases are not waterproof, so if that is a concern, you may have to look at other more expensive options. The case opens with 2 tabs on the right-hand side. The cars can be taken out of their spaces easily with the indented finger holes. Each side of the case features a double wide compartment, which is great for longer Hot Wheels vehicles. I wish this case had more of these double wide compartments because I have a lot of Hot Wheels vehicles that are long, or it would be nice if the case had removable dividers so that you could customize the length of the spaces. I label my cases by Hot Wheels first edition model year. I store my Hot Wheels carded collection using Ikea Samla storage totes. They come in a variety of sizes, but I'm using the 3-gallon tote. The size of this box works out perfectly for storing carded Hot Wheels on their edge. This box will even store the new Hot Wheels Car Culture cards on their edge as well. These are very affordable. The totes are about $3 and the lids are $1 a piece. The lid has a nice contoured edge, so it could be somewhat waterproof, which is a huge plus. This orientation maximizes how many cars fit in the tote. You can get between 48 and 50 cars in this configuration. Standing the cars on end, it is easy to slide them in and out to access them. These blue cards are not in the best of shape, but for brand new 2019 models, I wedge a piece of bubble wrap on one side of the tote. These Ikea totes are strong enough to be stacked, which is nice. They work out great for holding cars in Protecto packs. You kind of have to wiggle them around in the case a little bit. After some trial and error, I fit 13 Protecto packs in one tote. Thank you for watching my review of the Ikea Samla tote and the Creative Options Thread Organizer for your Hot Wheels car collections. Leave a comment below on how you store your Hot Wheels cars. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Stick Shift Hot Wheels, for more exciting Hot Wheels reviews and DIYs. Have a great day!